Pipitoy, ang laki.
Talaga.
Ang laki ng bahay. Kaya lang, mahal. Pero ang ganda. Ganda. Pitoy, ngayon lang ako makikiusap sa'yo. Kung kukuha tayo ng bahay, sana yun na, ha? Pwede.
No. Sige, sige. Pangako ko sa'yo. Bukas na bukas sasabihin ko kay Maricar, desidido na tayo. Doon na tayo magbabagong buhay.
Kaya lang, ibig bang sabihin nun, iiwanan natin ang bahay na to?
Gusto mo ba dali natin?
Anong ka ba? Hindi. Ibig kong sabihin, tagal nating tumira kasi dito. Dito ko na pinanganak si Chito. Dito na siya lumaki. At saka, masaya tayo dito, di ba? Kahit ganito tayo, di ba? Yun lang naman sa akin. Parang hindi ko kayang iwanan ang bahay na to. Ito'y pangako bukas na bukas din.
I chose the story of Pepito Manaloto because there are many lessons to be learned here. One is to be together as family, and to be love another is that even they won the lottery, they did not become arrogant or arrogant. They did not change because of money, and even money they are still being taught. They want their children to be frugal and earn their own money, and one day don't depend on other people. No, and from the beginning when they were still poor, they only knew how to count and appreciate the grace given to them.